Happy birthday, dear Brian.
It's been a long time. Been with my lady 5 years now. Jolin. Huh? Yeah, you can. So, I would say, yeah, it's been a special time. From the moment I mentioned I knew that I wanted to make it happen. So, love you. All 5 years. And just don't ask for your
I can't cry either.
What's up, guys? Hi. So it's been about a week, and yeah, we're engaged. Woo-hoo! So yeah, how do you feel?
Like the same, because we've been together forever.
Mm-hmm.
We can start planning stuff now, and that's exciting.
So exciting. Yeah. So yeah, just want to give you guys that quick update, and we're engaged now.
Yay!
Gonna plan a wedding.
We're
stuff.
5
We're 5.
plus forever now. Yay!
Ever and ever and ever. So yeah, we'll see you guys the next time. Matching Twinsies. All right, bye guys. Ooh. Ooh.
Wow.
Okay, bye.